Have you ever looked up at the sun and wondered what it would be like to get closer? It's a powerful force, giving us light and warmth. But the sun is also a mystery, with secrets waiting to be unlocked. In 2018, humanity took a giant leap towards understanding our star with the launch of the Parker Solar Probe. This groundbreaking mission was designed to touch the sun, getting closer than any spacecraft before. The Parker Solar Probe isn't just about getting close, though. Its mission is to unlock the mysteries of the sun's atmosphere, the corona. The corona is a superheated region that extends millions of miles from the sun's surface. It's much hotter than the surface itself, which is a puzzle that has baffled scientists for decades. The Parker Solar Probe is equipped with a suite of instruments to study the corona and the solar wind. This wind is a stream of charged particles that constantly flows from the sun. By understanding the corona and the solar wind, we can better predict space weather and protect our technology here on Earth. The Parker Solar Probe is a marvel of engineering. It's the fastest human-made object ever built, reaching speeds of over 400,000 miles per hour. Imagine traveling from Philadelphia to Washington, D.C. in just 1 second. That's the kind of speed we're talking about. But speed isn't the only challenge. The probe has to withstand extreme temperatures and radiation as it flies closer and closer to the sun. To survive these hellish conditions, the Parker Solar Probe is equipped with a special heat shield. This shield is made of a carbon composite and is about 4.5 inches thick. It protects the spacecraft from temperatures that can reach nearly 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Parker Solar Probe doesn't just fly straight at the sun, though. It uses a series of gravity assists from Venus to gradually tighten its orbit. This allows the probe to dip into the corona, take measurements, and then swing back out to a safe distance. It's a delicate dance between getting close enough to study the sun and surviving the encounter. The Parker Solar Probe has already made groundbreaking discoveries. It has sent back incredible data about the sun's corona and solar wind, giving us unprecedented insights into our star. One of the biggest mysteries the probe is trying to solve is why the corona is so much hotter than the sun's surface. Imagine a campfire where the flames are cooler than the air around them. It doesn't make sense. The probe is also studying the solar wind, which can have a big impact on Earth. The solar wind is responsible for the beautiful auroras, or northern lights, that we see in the sky, but it can also disrupt satellites, communication systems, and even power grids. By understanding the solar wind, we can better protect our technology from these solar storms. The sun goes through cycles of activity, with periods of intense activity followed by quieter periods. We're currently in a period of increased solar activity, which means more solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These events can release huge amounts of energy and pose a risk to our planet. The Parker Solar Probe is just one example of the incredible things we can achieve when we push the boundaries of space exploration. There are many other exciting missions on the horizon, from returning to the moon with the Artemis program to exploring the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. These missions will help us to understand our place in the universe and to search for life beyond Earth. The human spirit of exploration and curiosity has driven us to achieve incredible things. We've explored the depths of the oceans, climbed the highest mountains, and even walked on the moon. The Parker Solar Probe is a testament to our insatiable desire to understand the universe around us. As we continue to explore, who knows what other mysteries we will unlock. The future of space exploration is bright, and the possibilities are endless.